Hey Gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you'll want to become friends and you'll hit that subscribe button. Yes, I'm asking for friends. I'll be your friend and will you be mine? Okay, so yeah, I've got like an unbagging for you guys today, except I've already unbagged it. And I've tried them on, so let's get into this video. I have a relationship with a company called HeavenPanty. HeavenPanty is a panty styling service and they ship panties to your door every single month. The panties start at $1.99 and each time you get your monthly subscription, they add. Like each time they process it every month, you'll get an email from them and then they add $10 in add-ons for you to go shopping in their store. Like what? It's exciting. And I've got some built up. I cannot wait to go shopping with them and I'm going to do a haul and share it with you guys. But anyhow, let's get into it. So your profile, you can choose whether you want sexy panties, comfortable panties, you know, full back panties, or really anything. And I've done all of the above. Currently, I am getting some, like last month was really sexy. And they were, I don't know, I'll just show you real quick so you can see. But all right, this month, totally different. So I was quite surprised, but here they are. They're like little boy shorts with a full back. These are so comfy, especially, I don't even feel like I have to get dressed when I have something like with this coverage on. I could just lay around with my shirt, you know, whatever. And I feel like, I don't know, I kind of feel sexy with these on, you know? And it's weird. I don't ever usually feel sexy. And I don't ever really try to be sexy. But that's how I felt when I was trying these on. And I'm definitely going to show you guys because I can, because they're not that bare. I do post over a lot on Instagram too. I'll link that down below. So if you ever want to see, you know, the different styles, you can definitely check out my profile. So let's get back to talking more about them. They've expanded their sizes. They did probably about a year ago when they first launched. They didn't have that much, but being that they're growing and all of that, they did add. So you've got extra small, which I used to be, and that was the first set of panties I got until I changed my profile. I love that you can change it at any time. And now up to 3XXX, so a wide range of sizes, which I absolutely love. So those of you that had messaged me about the sizes, they do have them now, so you can definitely go shopping. Super exciting. I love that. I am 5'6" and currently 116 pounds. When I did try these on, I think I was about 118, 119, something like that. But they're super comfortable. And I've done wash and wear tests. They have a lining that is 100% cotton, but the rest of it's like spandex, nylon. They're super soft though. I've never had any issues with them. I've got a huge collection of them now. And I accidentally dried them and they didn't shrink. They didn't even, like a lot of my underwear, and I hate to say this, a lot of my expensive underwear, like the lining starts to give and you start to end up getting fringe and different things, and I've had to cut it, or because if you pull it, forget it, it just snags and it ruins your day. So let me show you the quick video I did of me trying these on and I'll be back. Well, there you have it. So, very comfortable. I love them. I definitely want to know what you think. I want to know if you're going to try this out. I think I've got a referral link. I'll put that down in the comments or the description box, either or, and you can definitely check them out from there. If you do have any questions, put them in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer them. I'll also include a way you can get in touch with HeavenPanty for yourself, because if you have additional questions, they would be the best ones to ask. So thank you for taking the time to watch this unboxing that I had already done and tried on. I really appreciate you guys so much. If you haven't checked out my Boxycharm for the month of January, I will link that as well as some others. I did get Ipsy and I was quite impressed. So if you like unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys real soon in my next video. Bye.